The forestry sector of Pakistan is a main source of lumber, paper, fuelwood, latex, medicine as well as food, and provide ecotourism and wildlife conservation purposes. Less than 4% of land in Pakistan is covered with forests. Statistics. Distribution. Types. The coniferous forests occur from 1,000 to 4,000 meters altitudes. Chitral, Swat, Upper Dii, Lower Dii, Malakand, Mansehra and Abbottabad districts of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Azad Kashmir and Rawalpindi district of the Punjab are the main areas covered with coniferous forests. Pindrofa, Marindus spruce, Deodar, blue pine, Chir pine are the most common varieties. The coniferous forests also occur in Balochistan hills. Chifosa pine and juniper are the two most common species of Balochistan. The subtropical dry forests are found in the Attic, Rawalpindi, Islamabad, Jhelum and Gujrat districts of the Punjab, and in the Mansehra, Abbottabad, Mardan, Peshawar and Kohat districts of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa up to a height of 1,000 meters. In Balochistan, they are confined to the Suleiman Mountains and other hilly areas. Dominant tree species are Fulai, cow and hotbush. The tropical thorn forests are dominated by xerophytic scrubs. They are most widespread in the Punjab plains but also occupy small areas in southern Sindh and western Balochistan. They are mainly used for grazing purposes, watershed protection and fuelwood. Common species are van, kajri, etc. The irrigated plantations were first developed in 1866 at Changamanga in Lahore. Today they occupy about 226,000 hectares. Shisham, mulberry, shahtut, babil and species of eucalyptus and populus of the common tree species grown in the irrigated plantations. The riparian forests grow in narrow belts along the banks of River Indus and its tributaries. They are more commonly found in Sindh and to some extent in the Punjab. Babil, shisham and tamarax dioica are the most common species. Kajri and Populus euphratica are some other species. They are mainly used for lumber. The mangrove wetlands are located in the Indus River Delta. Other saltwater wetlands are located on the coast of Balochistan such as at Sunmiani and Jiwani. These support mangrove forestry, mainly of species Avicennia marina as well as bamboo species and marsh grasses of Apaluda and Centurus. Uses. The forests of Pakistan are a main source of lumber, paper, fuelwood, latex, medicine as well as human and animal food. Other minor products include resin and masri. The forests also provide for ecotourism and wildlife conservation purposes. Forests have also been planted in some areas like Thal Desert to avoid soil erosion and further desertification. Riparian zone along the River Indus have been managed to avoid excess flooding. Deforestation. The Federal Bureau of Statistics provisionally valued this sector at Rs. 25,637 million in 2005, thus registering over 3% decline of forests in Pakistan since 2000. The main reasons of deforestation are urbanization, farming, overgrazing, global warming, and tourism development. This has led to severe consequences: desertification, flooding and endangering of wildlife. As a consequence to deforestation and changing land use patterns, the most critically affected ecosystems of Pakistan are juniper forests of northern Balochistan have been heavily harvested for timber and fuelwood. Indus River Riparian Zone is the other such area where ecological changes have drastically affected the riverine forests. Large tracts have been cleared for agriculture. The Himalayan temperate forests are also under severe pressure from logging for timber and firewood and making clearings for agriculture and the increasing population pressure. Conservation. The protected areas serve the purpose of conserving the forests and wildlife of Pakistan. National Conservation Strategy of 1993 was a major landmark of start of conservation of natural resources and wildlife in Pakistan. Resource-managed man-made forests like Changamanga, Kamalia Plantation and Chichawatni Plantation have also been planted to serve purpose and conserve forests. Through conservation, a large region of Tal Desert has been afforested. Natural protected forests: Bur Valley Coniferous Forest in Chitral District, Jonga Scrub Forest in Chakwal District, Suleiman Coniferous Forest in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Ziyarat Juniper Forest in Ziyarat District, Artificial Resource Managed Forests: Changamanga Forest in Lahore District, Chichawatni Plantation in Sahiwal District, Kipro Reserve Forest in Sangha District. Organizations: Research institutions: Shahid Benazir Bhutto University Sheringal, DIR Upper KPK, DIR Agricultural Research Institute, Quetta, Punjab Forest School, Bahawalpur, Pakistan Forest Institute, Peshawar, The University of Agriculture, Peshawar, http www.aup.edu, PK, Sindh Agriculture University, Hyderabad, University of Agriculture, Faisalabad, University of Haripur, Hazra, PIR Mevha Ali Shah Arad Agricultural University, Rawalpindi,